Now come on the exercise number 2. This exercise is also the same as before we have done exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. A shop assistant is a person who sells things in a shop. Give a sentence about each of the following. Here are also some persons. We will tell them their professions. A waitress. What is the work by a waitress done? A waitress, a hairdresser, a florist, a chemist, a cook, a dressmaker, a nanny, an office assistant. So come with me. I want to share the images of these persons, and now I will tell you what these persons done their works. Students, here is the first person who is a waitress. A waitress is a person who takes the order from the customers. Next one is a hairdresser. A hairdresser is a person who cut the hairs. And a florist. Next one is the florist. A florist is the person who sells the flower in a shop. Next one is a chemist. A chemist is a person who makes the medicines. And the next one is a cook. A cook is a person who cooks food in the restaurants. Next one is a dressmaker. A dressmaker is a person who makes our dresses, who design our dresses. Second last is a nanny. A nanny is a person who take care of the toddlers and babies. Last one is an office assistant. An office assistant works in an office. So students, these are all the workers and their professions. You will learn these professions by their workers by your heart, and you will write these both exercises on your notebook, and you will solve the exercise after watching this video.